Folks, got some metal to cut? Don't use a crappy cutoff wheel to do the job. Get yourself the EZARC Metal Master Diamond Cutoff Wheel. I've got the 4.5-inch wheel right here for my angle grinder. EZARC has several different sizes to fit your angle grinder as well. Look, it has diamonds. It has diamonds on the edge. That is gonna last a lot longer than your average cutoff wheel. And when you're cutting metal like this, you want something that's gonna last. You don't wanna run to the box store every 5 minutes spending your hard-earned money on just garbage wheels. Get one that works. This is good for over 5,000 cuts. It's 100 times better than your average wheel. It cuts rebar.
For the video, I thought I'd actually cut a piece of bar for you to show you in real time how quickly the diamond cutoff wheel would get the job done. It was really smooth. I let the wheel do all the work, and I felt like I could be precise and accurate with my cut. And guys, don't forget, to avoid possible injury while you're operating your power tools, always remember to wear your PPE. And guys, don't forget, this wheel can cut a lot more than just rebar. It's also great for
stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, non-ferrous metal. This cutoff wheel is outstanding. It performed great. It cuts like butter. What else do you want? It's gonna last you a long time. Stop wasting your money on those crappy cutoff wheels. Get you the EZARC Metal Master Diamond Cutoff Wheel today. Just click down below. They're gonna give you a great price. Don't procrastinate. It's right there. Just click on it. Here you go. It's a great product. And I'm out.